welcome to Homeschool. This is your class 10 Mathematics NCERT or CBSE board. We are in a chapter 5 areas related to circles and your exercise 5.1 fourth problem. The wheels of a car are of diameter 80 centimeters. I have drawn a wheel. Wheels of a car. Wheel is in which shape? Circular shape, right? So I have drawn a circle. A wheel having diameter 80 centimeters. Diameter is 80 centimeters and its radius will be half of it. That is 80 by 2, 40 centimeters. How many complete revolution does each wheel make in 10 minutes? When the car is traveling at a speed of 66 kilometers per hour, we need to calculate here how many rotations does the car wheel make in 10 minutes. So how can we calculate this one? Understand the problem carefully. Car wheels are in circular shape, that is circle. Okay, given diameter and we know the radius now. We need to find number of rotations this wheel has done in traveling 10 minutes time with a speed of 66 kilometers per hour. Number of rotations, number of complete rotations. What is the formula here? Total distance covered by the wheel in 10 minutes. We know the speed, right? Total distance traveled by the wheel in 10 minutes with a speed of 66 kilometers per hour divided by what we need to divide. If we know a wheel circumference, then how many times it is rotated we can get. Okay, so total distance by one wheel circumference will give you total number of rotations done by the wheel to travel that distance. Okay, let's start our problem with the given data. Solution. Given diameter of wheel D is equal to 80 centimeters. Radius R is equal to D by 2. That will be 80 centimeters by 2. Cancel. 240 is a 40 centimeter. First, we should calculate the circumference of a wheel of a car. Circumference. What is circumference? The outer ring. Right? When it is rotating, suppose it starts from here. When it is rotating, again if it touches the first starting position, then we may say that it has completed one revolution. Right? So, we should find first circumference of a wheel. Circumference of a circle formula 2 pi r. Wheel of a car is in circular shape. Therefore, circumference I write it with 2 pi r. Substitute. 2 into pi value is 22 by 7. Radius is 40. Multiply this. 22 2s are 44. 44 40s are 1760 by 7 centimeters. Okay, instead of converting into decimal, you can keep as it is also, no problem. Circumference of wheel of a car is equal to 1760 by 7 centimeters. Next, since speed of car, what is the speed of car here? 66 kilometers per hour. So let us convert this. How can we convert? 66 kilometer. 1 kilometer is equal to how many meters? 1000 meters. First, let us multiply that. 66 into 1000 meters. Okay. By per hour. 1 hour, how many minutes it has? 60 minutes. Right? Meter per minute, this one. 0, 0, cancel. 6 11s are 11 into 100, it will be 1100 meters per minute. But do we have a problem in meters? No, centimeter. So again convert this into centimeter. 1 meter is equal to how many centimeters? 100 centimeters. Multiply for that. 1100 into 100 centimeters per minute. That will be 110000 centimeters per minute. Now you can see here how much we got. 1,10,000 centimeters per minute. 1 minute you can write here. Wheel of car moves in 1 minute is equal to how much we got there? 1,10,000 centimeters per 1 minute. Then what about 10 minutes? Why we need 10 minutes here? In your problem, 10 minutes is your question. So 10 minutes means into 10. That will be 11,000,000 centimeters. 11 lakh centimeters. Number of complete revolutions. How many revolutions is done by the wheel of a car? We need to know the distance by circumference of one wheel. So number of complete revolutions, that will be equal to 10 minutes. How much it will be? 11 lakh centimeters by circumference of one wheel of a car. That is 1760 by 7. Children, you know this fraction have to bring up. Do the reciprocal and multiply for the numerator. 1150 into 7 by 1760. 0 cancelled. Multiply these two. 77,000 by 176. Now we need to cancel this. Still we can simplify this one. With what table you can take? I'll take 11. 11 ones are 11. 6 left, 66. 11 6 are 66. So that will be 11 16s are 176. Then what about numerator? 11 7s are 0 0 0 0. Now let's try to cancel with 16 table. 16 ones are, and here 16 fours are 64, and here it is 6 left, 60. Then it will be 16 threes are 48. Then it will be again 12, 120. Then 16 sevens are, it will be 112. 120 minus 112, 8. 80. 80 means 16 fives are. Therefore, what is your final answer? 4,375 rotations. Hence, the wheel may complete 4,375 revolutions in 10 minutes. So, if the minutes may be changed or the speed may be changed, the method is simple. You need to solve the problem in the same way. Let's see once again. The wheel of a car are of diameter 80 centimeters, radius will be 40 centimeters. How many complete revolution does each wheel make in 10 minutes? So first let us calculate 1 minute. Then for 1 minute multiply for 10 minutes. Next, total distance travelled by the wheel by circumference of one wheel will give you number of rotations. In the same manner we have done here. Radius 40, circumference of a wheel, it is in circular shape. Circumference will be 2 pi r. Then substitute, you are going to get 1760 by 7 centimeters. Speed 66 kilometers per hour. We are going to convert this one kilometer into meter first, then into centimeter. So 66 into 1000 meters by 60, then cancel. You are going to get 1100 meters per minute. This meters convert into centimeter by multiplying 100. So that will be 1,10,000 centimeter per minute. 1 minute you know, then 10 minutes means into 10 you do. Therefore, total number of complete revolution is equal to total 10 minutes by circumference of a wheel. That will be 4,375 revolution is done by a wheel of a car in 10 minutes with a speed of 66 kilometers per hour. Okay, is this clear, children? Fifth problem, tick the correct answer in the following and justify your choice. If the perimeter and the area of a circle are numerically equal. Okay, let me draw a circle here. What is our problem? The perimeter of a circle means this outer ring. Perimeter of a circle and area of a circle. Area means this part, right? Inside, complete this part. If the perimeter and the area of the circle are numerically equal, then the radius of the circle is, we need to find the radius. So, perimeter of circle is equal to area of circle. Perimeter of circle is equal to area of circle. They are equal. Numerically, both are equal. Find the radius is your question. Radius is equal to question mark. What is perimeter of a circle? The other name of perimeter of a circle is circumference of a circle. Circumference of a circle formula is 2 pi r. Area of a circle, pi r square. Okay? Pi cancel. Radius is same, right? So r square 1 r, another r you cancel here. What you are left here? 2 is equal to r. Therefore radius is equal to 2 units. This is your answer. Then which option you have 2 units? Solution A, 2 units is your answer. So understand here properly. Perimeter of a circle and area of a circle are numerically equal. If they are equal, you can equate those formulas. Circumference of a circle is equal to area of a circle. 2 pi r is equal to pi r square. Pi 1 r is cancelled and another r is left here. R is equal to 2. Therefore, radius is equal to 2 units. Okay. With this, we are going to end our session today, children. In our next session, we are going to continue with the next exercise. Until that, keep watching. Thank you all.